It is June 6th. So the convention is in 7 days from now. Well, at least like the setup day, the day before the con, where I go to set up, is in 7 days. So 1 week from now, I'll show you a couple things. I did make some little polymer clay donuts. I haven't made those in like years, and I just have to clean them and then glaze them, and those will be good to go after I like add the clasp and stuff, obviously. And I am going to be working on some choker necklaces and some more little bottle charm necklaces, except these are going to be different, and I'll show you how the one that I've made so far looks. And yeah, right now I currently have everything on the floor, making some lucky grab bags. And yeah, so I have a big mess going on, but I only have one bag left, so I only have to put together one more thing and then I'll be good. Woo! So we have a gamer. No, this one's sci-fi. Then we have a gamer. Then we have comic, another gamer one, and the last one is, I'm not really sure what to call it. It's kind of fantasy, kind of witchy, I guess. But yeah, those are the grab bags I'll have this time. There's a couple more I would like to make, but I ran out of these bags. So if I do, I'll have to go purchase some more bags. Unless I put them, I have some just plain brown, like ugly sandwich bags that are just like this, but they're the brown ones. They're not cute at all. I could do them in that, but I don't know if people would be as attracted to them, you know? But we'll see. That's a possibility. Right now I'm making my inventory list for HEROESCON. That way I can keep up with the prices, how much I made, and what I sold. That makes it easier to go through products and, you know, update my store envy, things like that. So this is what it typically looks like once it's finished. And then I just put tallies beside everything, and then on the next page I write down what item was sold. You could also like make graphs of this on the computer and like print it out, inventory sheets, whatever. But I find this is like better for me because my inventory is constantly changing. So yeah, this is just what I do for every convention. The Elves box came in the mail today, so I'm just going to quickly show you what came in it. It is like wizard theme, so it's got a few Harry Potter exclusives in it, which is really awesome. So we got all this glitter. That's super cute. I really like the yellow ones right there, but we have green and red and blue and different textures of it. Then we got 2 silicone molds. Well, we actually got 3. So this one's like a broom, like one of the wizard brooms. This one is a wand, I believe. So we got both of those. We got this other little mold. I'm not sure what it is yet. It's kind of oddly shaped. I guess I'll figure that out soon. And then we got some pearl pigments for resin. We have a white one and a, oh no, a black one. I'm sorry, this is so bad. And then we got this pigment that's gold and shimmery. We got some UV resin. This one is thin type, so I'm not really sure what that means. We also got this cool little pen that we can fill up and do stuff with, like customize it. And then we got all these Bezel Charms. So these are some of the Harry Potter ones that were exclusives right here. So yeah, that's what we got in the Elves box for this most recent one. I'm pretty excited to use the molds and make some of the Bezel Charms. Hopefully they'll come up better than my last ones. Yeah, there we go. I also found this top at Route 21, and I'm going to wear this for my casual Magikarp cosplay kind of look that I'm doing for HEROESCON. It looks really red on here, but our walls are really, and our lighting is really like orange and yellow, so it's making it look more red, but it is orange. So that's gonna be what I wear one of the days as a Magikarp. Here's the little polymer clay donuts. These have little like micro marbles. These 2 have glitter, and this one's kind of swirly. I think they came out pretty cute. I like the size of them. I tried to shade the backs, but it didn't really let's see if you can see. It didn't really show too well, and I textured the back side a little bit, but yeah, I do have to glaze these and add the glass. And then here is the little bottle that I'm working on. This one's more glittery, and it actually glows in the dark. I'm sorry it's not focusing, but if it would focus, you would be able to tell that it's like a little glitter one, and the glitter does glow in the dark. And it also has some stars in there. So I'm gonna make some of these as necklaces and choker necklaces. And then my friend also got me some cute little charms for my birthday, so I can make stuff with. And these ones are little kitty heads, and these ones are like little teardrop shaped ones. So those are going to be absolutely perfect for necklaces. I think I'm going to do chokers with them, especially these. These I'm definitely going to do chokers with. I don't know if I should just have them alone as chokers. Oh, my hair is in the video. So I don't know if I should have them alone as chokers, or if I should maybe put like a little baby bell with them, like a little mini bell that's like the size of the charms. These ones, I don't know if I should do them as chokers, or if I should save them as like a little dangly piece to add to some kind of charm, because those would work pretty good for either or. Super excited about that. I just have to figure out what ribbon I'm wanting to put them on. So that's how those are looking right now. I might go ahead and try to glaze the donuts and make a couple more little bottles like this, because all I'd have to do after I did that is put them on the chain or the ribbon, whatever I decide. And yeah, so I think that's going to be good. I also need to make a few more little bell chokers that I do, at least some of the colors. My hair is such a mess. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. And as far as like my cosplay goes, I'm going to be bringing Magikarp, which I think, yeah, I showed you the shirt that I got for it. So I'm going to be bringing Magikarp, and I posted a preview of it on Instagram, like in my Instagram story, but then I have a few selfies on Patreon. So Magikarp is coming, then Hinata is coming. For Hinata, all I have to do is cut her wig, like the bangs, and I might bring Zero 2. I don't know. If I bring Zero 2, I have to completely remake her headband, because the headband that I had that I made before just got ruined. It wasn't like the best quality, but it worked for photos. So I'll probably remake that if I bring her. If not, I'm just going to be casual one of the days. So that's what I have planned for the 3 days at HEROESCON. Woo! I have all this ribbon that I'm going to be pre-cutting for choker necklaces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on that. So some of these are for bell chokers, some of them are for just like regular chokers. I'm gonna be doing 2 of these as chokers and the other 2 as regular necklaces on silver chain. So let's get started. Okay, so the ribbon is all cut now. I also have a couple chains, so all I have to do is add the bindings. So this is all the ribbon with all the little ribbon ends on there for the chokers, so I can make them into the necklaces. I am going to have to get some extension chain though, because I do not have enough extension chain for all of these, and I like to have extra to take to conventions. Sorry, there was like a little string hanging off that I was trying to get. So that's something I'm definitely going to have to pick up before the con. And yeah, just add the clasp and the findings and everything, and we're good to go. So we're headed to Michael's to pick up some last minute stuff before the con. It's like, what, 2 days until setup? So yeah. Not Michael's, we're headed to Hobby Lobby. Because Michael's, I went the other day and they didn't have the stuff that I wanted. So I'm like, why? They had a bunch of sales going on, and everything was kind of sold out there. So we're going to hit up Hobby Lobby. Hopefully they'll have what I'm looking for, and that way I can finish my last minute stuff and get that ready, like the chokers. Woo! We went to Hobby Lobby and they ended up not having the extension chain that I was looking for. So I don't know where to go. I ended up getting some more lucky bags, And this awesome ribbon. The ribbon was all on sale, so I just couldn't not get it. I hope it shows up how beautiful it is. This one's kind of like ombre. It has different colors. And this one is like holographic unicorns. Ooh. And then I needed some of these little comb clip things. Hair barrettes. I don't know the proper name, but the little combs that you put in your hair. So I can add these to my 02 headband because I'm going to be remaking that for the convention, which is like 2 days away. I haven't even made that, so I need to get on that. Ugh. I just wanted to film really quickly an outro. I haven't filmed the extension chain yet. We are going to be setting up for HEROESCON tomorrow, and we're going to run by Joann's after we set up and see if they have the extension chain that I use for those sugar necklaces, and then I can finish those either tomorrow night before the convention or even at the convention. I can be working on that. Give me something to do. I'm sorry about the lighting. I know it's pretty rough right now. I'm in the living room and it's really yellow in here, and it's like rainy outside and it's 8 p.m. so yeah, not good lighting. I apologize, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, I know I haven't really been doing a lot of clay stuff lately, but hopefully that'll change in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you at HEROESCON. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye!